How to buy Mr. President token. So this token came under the symbol of president. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also there's a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, if you click on their official website from their X account, you will be able to access to this page. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, if you click on pre-sale here, so click on pre-sale. So as you can see, if you click on pre-sale, you will be able to access to pink sell. So what you need to do, just connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet here, select your wallet. I will just select the Bitget wallet, connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet to pink cell, as you can see, now here just type the amounts that you want to buy. And as you can see here, make sure to read all of that information here, as you can see. And now after that, what you need to do, I will just connect my wallet. As you can see here, just switch the Ethereum internet. As you can see, just click on approve. So here you will, because I don't have any Ethereum on my wallets for you, just click here on buy and a pop-up will appear here on your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Mr. President token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.